Operation Zenith really is kind of the next step in demonstrating what is possible within technology and aviation and the integration of UTM, drones and existing ATM processes and procedures. GuardianUTM builds up a very complicated and complete picture of the airspace that it is looking after. Within Operation Zenith, we're connected into the Manchester primary and secondary radar feed, so we have a good understanding of manned aviation that's flying through that area. From a drone point of view, we take telemetry from drones that are cooperating within the system, so they're being transmitted over the 4G cellular network. And then for drones that are non-cooperative, that aren't actually taking part with inside Guardian, we've got a couple of sensors that are detecting those drones, both the D-drone system and DJI's aeroscope. Standards are going to be a very, very important thing in the development of a competitive marketplace around UTM. Without the standards being in place, manufacturers will not be able to take part within the UTM ecosystem. Altitude Angel has very much been leading the way with the development of open standards for UTM, and the lessons we've learnt as a result of Operation Zenith and having manufacturers, so DJI, Canon Lens, the University of Manchester, etc., all integrate into the Guardian platform has really given us some very valuable lessons we'll be feeding back into that standardisation effort. The orchestrator is absolutely key to the safety of what's going on inside Operation Zenith. The orchestrator is taking a large number of data feeds from primary, secondary radar, from ADS-B, from our non-cooperative drones detection systems, and from telemetry. And it's using all that information to paint a picture, or to build up a picture rather, of what's going on in the airspace that Guardian is looking after. It can then evaluate that picture to work out whether there's any potential loss of separation between the aircraft that we are controlling and other traffic that is passing through that airspace. If it is like to happen, we can start sending warnings to human operators to drones to allow them to start making earlier corrective actions, or we can start sending commands to some of the drones to allow the drones to be able to execute upon those deconfliction instructions. I think Operation Zenith really helps kind of show the industry and regulators what is possible. We're not trying to define what those procedures actually are, but we're showing that the technology is there today to be able to send a command to a drone. We're not actually advocating what that command should be, but we paint the picture about what is possible.